Dear students, today we will learn more about division. Division means equal distribution or the process of repeated subtraction. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Have a look at 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Thus, we subtracted 2 5 times from 10. So we can say that division is repeated subtraction. We should know the terms for division. They are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Dear students, let's learn the terms of division. The number to be divided is dividend. Here the number 7 is dividend. And the number that divides is divisor. Here 3 is divisor. The answer we get on dividing the numbers is quotient. Here 2 is quotient. The number that remains after dividing is remainder. Here 1 is remainder. The remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Did you notice that the quotient is equal to the number of times we subtracted? I'm sure that you know how verify whether the answer is correct or not. All we need to do is use the following relations. For verification, we have dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. After putting the value, we have 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7. That is equal to dividend. So the answer we get the dividend itself. Now we will study the properties of division. So let's start with an example. The first property, when 24 is divided by 24, you can see the quotient is 1. Second, when 115 is divided by 115, so the quotient is again 1. And you can see here 2126 is dividing by itself, so the quotient is 1. So when non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. So this is the first property of division. The second property of division says that if a number is divided by 1, then the result is always the number itself. Example, 4123 divided by 1 is equal to 4123, the number itself only. Now children, third property, examples are when 0 is divided by 16, the quotient is 0. When 0 is divided by 526, the quotient is 0. So the third property says when 0 divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. Now let's divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Here 4569 divided by 106. The divisor consists of 3 digits. Here we can see the first 3 digits of dividend is greater than divisor. So we can take the 3 digits at once. Now 106 multiplied by 2 is equal to 212 and 106 multiplied by 3 is equal to 318 and 106 multiplied by 4 is equal to 424. So 456 can be divided 4 times by 106. Now let's subtract 424 from 456. The difference is 32. Now let's take 9 beside 32. Now the number is 329. Let's multiply once again. 106 into 2 is equal to 212 and 106 into 3 is equal to 318. Let's subtract 318 from 329. The answer is 11. Here 11 is remainder and the quotient is 43. Dear students, you can also verify your answer as you know by putting the value in given formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.